Like, mama, watch what he do. Watch this. Do it. Do it. Oh! I told you. He's famous.
What's the message to y'all first body?
Your dick was small.
Nah. Excuse me. JTV. You right here.
What did he say?
I don't know what he said.
Record it. Don't put it all the way close because I gotta get it close. Watch out. Hey, nigga, stay tuned to the vlog, nigga. This is lit. We finna go to a car meet, nigga. We finna go to a car meet. Watch what they got. Watch what they got, nigga. Stay tuned to the video, nigga. We didn't even mean to do this, but we finna do it, nigga. Stay tuned. We just seen a black nigga. Talking about.
Oh shit, we just made it, bro.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Rosemead Boulevard.
Hey, John. Hey, John.
Record.
No matter what I do, they say that I'm
This nigga talking about pull up. Oh, I'm not even supposed to be playing music, bro. That's copyright. Fuck, I forgot. Hopefully he didn't give me copyright.
Can't you edit it out?
Shit, I'm gonna have to make it quiet. There go a Kia Stinger.
That's not a Kia Stinger.
I mean, I said Stinger.
Street bike's hard.
Hell yeah, them crazy. These niggas' car is crazy, bro. We look like amateurs out this motherfucker, bro.
That
motherfucker clean.
You got BMW go straight.
There goes Supra, another Supra right there. Oh, that BMW crazy.
This shit go dumb.
Sheesh. Where? Gosh, Lee.
Why are you beeping
Just
at
throw
me?
that shit away, dude.
No, I'm gonna eat it. Taste.
Fuck it. Back here.
Woo. Shit's crazy.
Super lagging.
What's up, y'all? JTV! You already know we in the car, man. We're about to go do crazy stuff, dude. You already know, man. Nah, I didn't say it. Nah, but today we in the car, man. Today we with the infamous Black Widow. I know y'all see. I know y'all seen it in the intro, man. Here go Black Widow right there. Eat his ass, you know. That's what it says in the back of his car. But we're with him today. We met him. He's a cool dude, and he wants us to. He wants to hang out with us today. So, what are we gonna do? On. I know y'all watch. Drive. You already know, man. I'm the only one hype. He mad because we was. He mad as fuck. He wanna go be a kid. Nah, but for real though, stay tuned to the vlog. This vlog's gonna be crazy. Hopefully good for this. Hopefully fast cars, fast money. You know, we digging it. Nah, but we gonna go right now. We gonna start it on gang.
They don't look too good. We have to pull over. I don't know what happened. We gonna stay back to the next scene. Okay. We at Mickey D's. Okay, we at Mickey D's. Mickey Donald's, dickhead. You never know, you ain't never been on that store and shit. But yeah, we at Mickey D's right now, man. Finna get some. Y'all niggas hot? No, I'm just playing. But we finna get some, y'all. What y'all finna get? Nothing. And he went to the bathroom. Hold it, hurry up. Record me. Gang. You already know. I'll put what's it called in it? I put what's it called in it? I put a whole bunch. Should I do it again? Should I do some more?
There you go. Subscribe to the channel. It's going viral. It's going viral. He's putting ketchup in his drink.
Y'all see it, man. Oh, kick game? You see the kicks, You see what are those? The kicks. He got his car. You already know. We gonna wait on the homeboy. But y'all see it on game. Watch this. No, I'm just playing. I'm not trying to be like Funny Mike. If y'all say that in the comments, I'm not trying to be like I'm playing around. But wait till we come back. We're gonna record it. You know. Ooh, got my food. Tatre, what you ordered? Got the food, you already know. Busy trainer, go TTG, you already know. What you get, ho? What you get, ho? Bet the fuck out you, boy. What you get? Orange soda. Orange. I see all you big motherfuckers mood shades that y'all eating. This nigga like a cat in the candy store, That nigga like Tubby. He like a kid in the candy store. Thanksgiving meal for you, huh? The meat is ugly. Look at with that sculpture. Back the fuck. Big ass chromosome. I'm an alien, stupid ass. Look at that thing behind me. Oh my goodness. That thing is clean, boy. We in Beverly Hills, baby. Y'all know what's finna happen. We finna act the fool out here. We ain't never been out here. It's my second time out here.
Go to jail.
Niggas finna go to jail. They finna go to jail. I'm finna die. Yeah, time out. Nah, we in Beverly Hills. That's looking very beautiful out here. Smell different too. Everybody just smell. Everybody, smell test. Smell test, nigga. How's it smelling out here? Taste it.
Smell like ass.
What it tastes like, Christian? What it tastes like? Smell different, huh?
Yeah,
Tastes good too. These people just stunting on a nigga, huh? I'm gonna be up there one day. I want that car right there though, one day. That mud right there so damn clean, boy. Back the fuck out him next. You already know, bro. But we out.
I might just cop a $110,000 chain.
For real?
I might just, you know.
Back the fuck out him next. You already know.
I'm a bat the fuck.
Look at that McLaren. That's the new one too. That's crazy. Oh, he got his Instagram. Bentley truck. Yeah, you dig. That thing clean. On next one. Bro, that's a story. Look how the door's closed by itself. That thing is clean. Sheesh. Sheesh. Get on scene. That's an old one.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Lonitas Avenue.
You gotta sub to the channel, man. Oh, they got all the kicks in here. I know y'all see Blake Linder over there. Blake Linder.
I wanna get this car.
This shit clean, boy. Cool kicks on there, you already know. Shit clean though.
I'm drowning.
You're drowning.
I'm drowning.
I've been drowning.
Why they do my beds like that?
Hey, yo, whose mans is this?
Why y'all do my beds like that?
That nigga pissed off. Let's see, man.
I want to be there. Come on. Everybody ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Sub to the channel, man.
You already know it's JTV. Y'all remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we out.